on this one, right? And I will explain you that how to actually tackle such questions, okay? And you have to practice by your own. I am here to just make you understand, okay, just to clear you on all the mistakes, clear all the doubts and all. Fine, so let's get started. So this is the question pattern. Here in a certain code language, this sentence can be written as this one, and this means this means this means this. Okay, now see here. The very first question is, what is the code for the dog was frightened? The dog was frightened. So for this you have to find out the coding for the was dog frightened. Okay, the dog was frightened. So you have to find out the coding for all these. Now see how to find it out. See here, the is in all these four sentences, right? It is in all these four sentences. Is there any other letter which has been, is there any other word which has been repeated in all these? There's none. Okay, so there is only this the which has been repeated in all the four sentences. Okay, so the number which has been repeated in all these four group of numbers, then that will be the coding for the, that will be coding for the. Okay, so here you can see it that 1 is common in all these numbers. Okay, all these group of numbers, right? So you can simply make it out that 1 is coding for the. Okay, now for was, the dog was. Now let for word dog. So dog is here and dog is in the last sentence. Okay, so now we know that 1 is for the. Okay, and now we have to find it out that which number is common between 341 and this one. Okay, so you can simply see that 3 is common in both these group of numbers, right? So here we can make out that 3 is the coding for dog. Now the dog was. Now you have to find it out for was. Now see, was is in only in this sentence. It is not written in any other sentence. Okay, so simply it means that the number which has not been repeated in any of the other group of numbers, then that number will be the coding for was. Okay, so simply see that it is 7621. 1 is for the. Now it is left only 3 numbers are left, that is 762. 762. Now 6 has been repeated. Okay, so it is eliminated. Now 7 and 2. 2 is also here. Now only 7 is left. It means 7 is coding for was. Okay, 7 is coding for was. Now the dog was. Now we are left to find the. Now we are left with only frightened, for which we have to find out the coding word. Now frightened is in this sentence and in the second one. So the letter which is the number which is repeated in both of them can be our this coding for frightened. But now see here, cat is in this one in the first sentence and cat is over here also, right? So we have to first find out that what is the coding for cat. Okay, so cat, it is repeated in all these three sentences. So the number which is repeated in all these three is the coding for cat. Now see here, it's 6. So 6 has been repeated in all these three numbers, so the coding for cat is 6. Now we know that 1 is coding for the, and for 6 is the coding for cat. Now we are left with 4, 8, 5. Now we are left with only the numbers 4, 8 and 5. Now the number 4, 8, 5, the number which is in the first one also, first sentence also, and the second sentence also, that will be the coding for frightened. So here you can see that 8 is in the first also and in the second one also. Okay, so 8 is the coding for frightened word. Okay, so this is how you will find it out for all others, right? So here I have written 1 is coding for the, 2 brown, 3 dog, 4 ran, 5 away, 6 cat, 7 was, 8 frightened. Okay, now simply you just have to answer. Now the dog was frightened, the dog was frightened, right? So the means 1, Dog means 3, 1, 3. Okay, was means 7, frightened. So 1, 3, 7, 8. 1, 3, 7, 8. It is in option C. So our answer is option C, that is 8, 7, 3, 1. Okay, now next question is, what is the code for frightened? So what is the code for frightened? It is 8. So our answer is option D, that is 8. Now next question is, what is the coding for away? Now let's see what is the coding for away. Away, it's 5. So our answer here will be 5. That is option B. Okay. Now next is, what is the coding for brown? So now let's see what is the coding for brown. It is 2. Okay. So here our answer is option A, that is 2. Fine. Now here is another coding one. Coded. So here the question is, in a certain code language, pen pencil is written as like this. Okay. Eraser sharpener is written as this. Pencil eraser is written like this. Now then what is the code for pen? You have to find the coding for pen. Super easy one. Super easy. Just see. Pen pencil means this. Eraser sharpener, we have to find it out for pen, right? So ignore this one. Pencil eraser, now see here, pencil is repeated here and pencil is in this sentence and this one also, right? So we can find out that what is the coding for pencil. Coding for pencil is dollar, right? Just I told you have to find out the common one. So here common one is dollar, right? So the coding for pencil is dollar. So now we are left with this one only. So this is the sign for pen.